answer, all right? Okay, good. So the contest is going to be decided in this fifth and final round. Obviously, I am going to be reading out clues and your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. For an opportunity to solve a riddle, you must ring for it. Now hear your bell, Cater Senior High Technical School. Thank you. Yours, Adventist Senior High. Thank you. And yours, Opoku Ware School. Thank you. Best wishes, everyone. First riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a dynamical vector quantity. I am not the rate of change of another vector quantity. For a particle moving about a point, I equal. Yes.
Displacement.
That's incorrect. I equal the vector product of the position relative to the point and the linear momentum of the particle. Yes.
Angular momentum.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the fourth clue, 3 points. 3 points. Next one. I am a rule in genetics. I am applicable to double-stranded DNA.
Shagaf's rule.
Yes. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is an even multiple of pi. Each interior angle is twice the corresponding exterior angle. My angles are congruent and my sides are also congruent. I fit perfectly identical equilateral triangles.
Regular hexagon. Regular hexagon.
Yes. there's a nuclear disaster, I become perhaps the most important chemical. I protect the thyroid glands.
Potassium iodide.
Yes.